Hey, what's up? I'm Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, it's not December, what the heck? It's another day, and it's still January, and last night we just got our very first winter snowstorm, and it's still currently snowing, but not as bad like it was last night. So I'm guessing that we got a total of 6 to 8 inches of snow, maybe even more. I don't know. But yeah, first winter snowstorm, and this is what it looks like. One second. So yeah, our very first winter snowstorm. This is what that looks like. Let's see if I can zoom out. Got a lot of snow. So yeah, we got a lot of snow last night, and it's still technically snowing. And yeah, like I said, I think we got like a total of 6 to 8 inches of snow, maybe even more. But me personally, I'm just not a fan of winter. I'm more of a fall, spring person, and summer, but not when it's over 90, 100 degrees humidity weather. So there's that. But yeah, this is our first winter snowstorm, and I'm surprised we didn't have a white Christmas last year or last month. But there's that. I know I haven't been posting or making vlog videos, but like I said before, I'm trying to think of ideas to do for content ideas, and so far I've just been low-key keeping to myself because I've been going through a lot with mental health, but I'm doing okay now. So I'm slowly getting back into vlogging, but it's not going to be daily like I did on Vlogmas. So it's going to be like once in a blue moon video or once a week video, but we'll see where that goes, and hopefully I'll have something to do for video content ideas. I do want to hear from you guys on what you guys want to see for video content ideas. So if you have any ideas you want to see, comment down below. I would love to hear from everyone what you want to see for video content ideas, and I'll make sure to read the comments and try my best to do what you guys want me to do for video content ideas. Also, has anyone seen the new Gypsy Rose Blanchard docuseries on Lifetime? I've watched it last night and the night before, and it's honestly really dark and messed up. No one should ever have to go through what Gypsy went through. That's like not okay. It's very dark. Not okay. Other than that, I am gonna end this here. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.